So good morning class. Today we have to study about marginal utility and total utility. So utility we have seen. What is utility? Want satisfying power of commodity. Non-satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. Utilities can be, we have to study about two things, two utilities, that is total utility and marginal utility. So what is total utility? Satisfaction derived from derived from the consumption of all units of commodity. Okay, so what is total utility? The satisfaction derived from the consumption of all the unit of a commodity, that is known as, or you can say the total satisfaction. Okay, here you can say total satisfaction derived from the consumption of all the units of a commodity, that is known as total utility. Like suppose, for example, if I say this is commodity X and UX, means utility X, PU. Then first time when you consume, how much utility got? 25. Second time you consume the water, you got 15. Okay, this is marginal one, not sorry. Then it will keep on increasing. The whatever how many commodity you will consume, it will keep on increasing. So first you see that is MUX, and third time you got 5. So what is EU? That is 25. Again, when you are consuming second unit of a commodity, your total utility, the utility which derived for the second time, that will be sum up in the first one. So what you will do? 25 plus 15, how much it will be? 40. Then this will be 45. So first time when it consumed the glass of water, it was 25. Second time when the person or the boy consumed the water of glass, then it became 40. And when the third time he or she is consuming the glass of water, then it became 45. So whenever you are, see, he consumed 3 units of a commodity. Okay, 3 glass of water he consumed. So when he consumed 3 glass of water, total utility derived is 45. So what you are doing? Each time, whenever that boy is getting satisfaction or utility, whatever utility is getting after the consumption of that product, each time what you are doing, you are adding up. Like suppose first time it was 25 plus 15 plus 5. So PU will be what? 45. Total utility. This means commodity 1, 2 and 3. First time consumption, second time consumption and third time consumption. So how many times he consumed? He consumed total for 3 times. And total utility will be of what? It will be for 3 times. What we have to do? We have to sum up. Okay, that is known as, so that is the definition. Total satisfaction or total utility derived from the consumption of all the units of a commodity. So how many times we consume? We consume for the 3 times, and what we will do? So each time how much satisfaction we are getting, we have to add it. Okay, graph is also there. I will explain you graph, but first let me go on this marginal utility. So What is marginal utility? Just the opposite. So in this, satisfaction drive see, you can see here, satisfaction, additional satisfaction, or you can say additional satisfaction drive on consumption of each additional commodity or unit. Okay, unit of commodity. So additional satisfaction drive from the each consumption of drive on consumption of each additional unit of a commodity, that is known as marginal utility. So what is marginal? So each time when you are consuming, like for example, if I say first time when you consume, you got utility of 25. But second time when you are consuming, it means that when you are consuming second time, then what will happen? Additional unit you have consumed plus when that additional unit you are consuming, the additional satisfaction which you are getting, that is your marginal utility. So one more unit of consumption, one more unit of commodity you are consuming, so additional satisfaction you are getting. So this is one. Second unit is your additional, and 15 will be your additional satisfaction. So satisfaction drive on consumption of each additional unit of a commodity, that is known as marginal utility. So we'll see on the graph also. So formula for total utility, you can say TU is equal to, okay, so utility derived from the one unit plus utility derived from the consumption of second unit plus utility derived from the consumption of third unit, and so on, howsoever or how many units you consume. So each time whenever you are getting like you are getting a utility, like 25, then second time you consumed you got 15 and it became third one 5. So 25 plus 15 plus 5. So it will become your TUX is equal to 45. Understood? So how you are going to add it? You will add up or sum up each time whenever you are consuming commodity, and each time you are getting satisfaction, you will do it, or you will sum up each time. Okay, then you will be able to get total utility, and marginal utility is equal to MUX is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. So I will tell you, I will explain you this formula, how this TUN minus 1 works. See, TUN is the first commodity. Okay, first time when you are going to calculate first marginal utility. So when you are first commodity you are consuming, it will be your 25. So N will be for first time or for the first commodity, it is 25, and TUN minus 1. So N minus 1, before this, before 25, how much utility you have derived? Or it means that was 0 because you did not consume any product. So it became 0. So 25 minus 0, so when you consume first the unit, you got 25 units. So you got 25 units in this. Then each time, next step again, if you are going to perform, suppose you got how much? 40. So total utility was for the second unit was 40. Then, so what will be your, how you are going to find the satisfaction utility, how much utility you have got. So MUX is equal to TUN minus 1. So what will happen? Second time it was 40 and TUN minus 1, how much you have got? Before 40, how much you have got? You have got 25. So first commodity when you consume, you got 25 units of satisfaction. So this became 40 minus 25, that became 15. So when you consume the second unit, you got 15 units. Okay, this is how you calculate. Now we'll see the graph. So graph, this is schedule. Okay. You can see the schedule here, numbers of commodity or numbers of unit, how much commodity we have consumed. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units we have of a commodity we have consumed, and how much satisfaction we have derived, that is in the form of total utility. So first time when you consume, we got 100 utility. Then second time we consume, it became total. Okay, second time it is adding up, so it became 190. And this time, third time, it became 270. Fourth time, it became 340. And fifth time, it became 400. So each time, how much we are consuming, that is there. So this is units, okay. This is utility. So you just see, when first time when we consume, or fifth unit when we consume, how much utility we have got? That was 400. So fourth point will be somewhere here. Okay. Then when we consume our third unit, how much we got? 340. So it is somewhere here. Okay, it is below 350. You can see the gap here. Then again when we consume our third unit, it became 270. So 270 is somewhere here. So third point somewhere here. Then when we consumed our second unit, it became 90. Sorry, 270, then it became 190. So somewhere here. And when we consumed our first unit, then how much? It became 100. So it is. So if we join this line, we will get something like this. So it is a completely straight line. Okay, this is total utility of commodity X. First time consume 100, second time consumed, it became 190. Then second time we consumed, third time we consumed, it became 270. And fourth time when we consumed, it became 340 here. And when we consumed for the fifth time, it became 400. So each time when you are consuming, your number of commodity is increasing, then total utility is also increasing. But when we talk about the marginal utility, it keeps on decreasing. So how we will see this? First unit when we consumed, it became 100. Then next time when we consume, it became 90. So how you are going to find it out how much marginal utility each time it has been added? So what was the formula? MUX is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. Okay, so how much it is there? 100. Before 100 any commodity we have consumed? No, that was 0. So we will take it 0. How much is there? 100. So MU is 100. Now second time when we consumed the commodity, how much total utility we have got? That is 190. 190. Same formula we are going to use it. MUX is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. So 100, 190 units. That is TUN. This one is TUN. Minus how much units we have got? N minus 1 means before that. Okay, before this commodity, how much utility we have got? So that was 100. This is TUN minus 1. So when we consume second unit, we got 190 utility. Then before this TUN minus 1 means one step earlier, how much you have got? So how much we have got? That was 100. So marginal utility became 90. Fine. Then third time when we are consuming the utility, when commodity, how much satisfaction we have got? We have got 270. That is TUN. Then minus. Before this, before 270, how much we have got? That is 190. So minus 190, and this becomes 50. So like this, 70, then 60. So each time when we are consuming commodity, our satisfaction is decreasing. So likewise, our marginal graph. This is TU graph. Now we are going to draw the marginal graph. So one is 100. Second time when we consumed, it became 90. So the point will be here. Then again, when we consumed, it became 80. So point will be somewhere here. And third time when we consumed, it became 70. And when we consume for the fifth time, it became 60. So each time when we are consuming, it is coming down. So graph will be somewhat like this. Okay, my drawing is not it is not very perfect. When you will draw with this scale, it will be perfect. Okay, so this is MUX, and this line is what? This one increasing line is TUX. Total utility of commodity X, and this line is of marginal utility of commodity X, and this is the schedule for it. So this is all for today. We will meet up in the next class. Till then, thank you.